We'll see the Houston Rockets and the Denver Nuggets. Thanks for joining us as we get set to bring you NBA basketball on 2K Sports. This is Kevin Harlan with Greg Anthony and Clark Kellogg and our sideline reporter, David Aldridge. Şengün with a wide-open look. Off target from outside. When it's all said and done, Jokic, Greg, is going to be the Nuggets' career leader in many categories.
And he's already their franchise leader in rebounds, assists, triple-doubles, and playoff points, and many other advanced stats as well.
And so the Denver Nuggets get the first points in the ballgame. Drills it from outside.